Hi guys, in today's video I have this Insta360 Go 3S. This is my next vlogging camera. This is the addition to my cameras. The Sony ZV-1 which I already sold, DJI Osmo Pocket 3 which I'm currently using it now, and next will be this vlogging cameras. So this will be used in scenarios where I need POV shots. So without wasting any time, let's start with the unboxing. On the box it says 4K, that means it can shoot 4K videos, and now you have more pixels and has 128 GB of storage inside. In the box you get an envelope. Here you get USB-C cable. To open other side you get Insta360 sticker. Then you get some instruction manual and warranty card. Let's keep this aside. Next, if you open further, you get a user guide. Then you get Insta360 Go 3S with the action pod. We'll talk about this later. Let's dig in further. Next, you get a sticky pad. Then you get a pivot stand, magnet pendant, and lastly you get this easy clip. Let's keep these things aside and look at the camera. Now if you look at the camera, on the top you have a shutter button. To your right you have power button and a quick button. To your left you have USB-C port. Then you have a release button, that is you can take off your camera from the pod by pressing this button. If you see at the back side you get a display which is flippable, and you can use this display to preview your videos while shooting. Now this pod is only water resistant, that means it only protects from rain and light splashes, so you can't take this pod underwater. On the other hand, Insta360 has a rating of IPX8. You can take this 10 meters underwater. Now to start this thing you need to press this button, power button, and it will ask you to connect to the app. So you need to download app on the iPhone or Android phone and follow the instruction. I'm not going to show how to do in this video as this is only unboxing video. Now you can control the camera with the pod and also with the app downloaded on your phone. You can manage transfer of files or taking videos. It can also be controlled with simple gestures. Then it also has another feature, that is voice control. You can also control this thing with the help of the voice. This camera has flow state stabilization which can help you in taking action videos. Here are some of the clips shot with 360. You can check this out and let me know in the comment box. Since this is a standard package, let's see at the accessories that we got. Now this is a magnet pendant, so you wear it like a pendant in your neck and the camera goes here. It has a powerful magnet, so the camera remains in the place. You need to wear it inside your t-shirt, and if you want portrait you need to put it like this, vertical. If you want landscape, put it like this, horizontal, and then you can do your POV shots. So how cool is that? Next we have this pivot stand. uh, It can be pivoted any sides according to your needs. It also comes with this sticky pad. You need to screw it, put your pod here in the camera. Now you can stick this anywhere on your car, on your bonnet, on your dashboard, which should be clean and even for the better effect of the sticky pad. After use, you can rinse the sticky pad and reuse it. Lastly, you get this easy clip where you can put your camera in here. It is also a magnetic, and if you have a cap, you can put it on your cap like this. It is a very strong clip though. This thing also rotates. You can face according to your need, then you can face your camera in the front and shoot your videos. So guys, I love this camera because it's tiny, portable, and easy to use without compromising on video quality, and it has a great video stabilization. What else do you need? So I hope guys you like my videos. Please do like, subscribe, and share, and support me. Bye, take care, and see you in the next video.